This video is for homeowners if your Intermatic Ascend Smart In-Wall Timer has been professionally installed and programmed. It will show you how to set up and control the Ascend Smart Timer on your smartphone or tablet. If you are a professional or DIY installer, please see our other initial setup videos as the steps will be different. The first step is to download the Ascend mobile application from the iPhone or Android App Store and open it. The first screen will ask you to log in or create an Intermatic Connect Cloud account. Choose Create Account at the bottom of the screen. Put in your email address and create a password with at least 8 characters including uppercase and lowercase letters, a number and a special symbol. To accept the privacy policy and terms and conditions, check the box and click Continue. A 6-digit access code will be emailed to the address you provided. Minimize the app and find this code in your email program. You can copy and paste the access code or type it in manually. Now choose Create Account at the bottom of the screen. The app will search for devices, but won't find any because a connection to the timer must be established. Minimize the app and go to your phone's settings. Choose Wi-Fi. A list of available devices will appear. The Ascend access point number will be a long string of characters beginning with 7DT. To view the access point number on the Ascend device, click on the top left menu button. Then click the down button to select Info and press the Enter button below the Ascend screen. Then choose Wireless and press the Enter button again. On your phone, select the Ascend SSID as your network. It will ask you for a password. Type in Intermatic in all lowercase letters. Then click Join. You are now connected to the Ascend local access point. Navigate back to the Ascend app and refresh the screen. Your Ascend device will now be shown on the Devices screen. Click on the device name and a window will pop up asking for a PIN code. The PIN is displayed on the Ascend device on the Wireless Info screen that we navigated to earlier. Type those numbers into the app and click OK. This will take you to a weekly schedule screen if your installer has that set up for you. A blue line indicates the times that the Ascend device is on. To connect the device to your home's wireless network, click on the yellow bar at the top of the screen or the Add button on the upper right. A list will appear showing all available networks. Choose your network and type in the password. Tap Connect. This may take a few minutes. In the meantime, you will want to minimize the application and go to your phone's settings. Choose Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network. Close the settings screen and go back to the app. The timer will now sync to your local area network. Because you are logged into your Intermatic Cloud account, the Ascend will also be synced to the cloud so you can access the timer remotely. This will take a few minutes. Once setup is complete, press the button to go back to the scheduling screen. To go back to the device screen, click on Devices at the top. You will see that you are connected through the cloud account and the next event scheduled is displayed underneath the device name. This is also displayed on the Ascend. And you're done! You now have access to your Ascend settings and scheduling both inside and outside your home.